What is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, and if you've never been here before or seen me before, then welcome. On my channel, I do a lot of beauty and hair videos. There's also going to be some lifestyle videos thrown in there. So if you're interested in that kind of content, make sure you subscribe before you go. This video is going to be all about eyebrows and how I get perfectly sleek ones, even though I know mine look a hot mess right now. But don't worry, I got you covered, girl. Don't worry about it. So you're only going to need a few things, and those are a brow pencil, a spoolie, tweezers, and possibly some scissors. If you have those little tiny eyebrow scissors, those will work really well, but I don't have that. I'm just going to use some normal hair shears, and these will do the trick just fine. So the first thing I'm going to do is just get my hair out of the way and then start to brush your brows in the shape that you want them to lay when you're done. And this is just how you get the look that you're going for. So that's step one. Step two, draw your eyebrows on exactly how you want them to look when you're done. So hopefully you guys can see this. I'm going to get as close as I possibly can to the camera and show you what I do. For me, this is pretty good. So once you have your eyebrow filled in, the next step is to go in and start tweezing all around where you filled your eyebrows in. So I'm going to show you how I do it. I kind of slide my tweezers right up beside that line and pull out the hair like that. In my opinion, it's already looking like 10 times better. Once you clean up those hairs underneath, I mean, it makes a huge difference in how your face looks. Okay, so now that we got the bottom done, or for the most part it's done, we may have to go back in and do some cleaning up, but for the most part the bottom is done. So let's just do the same exact thing on top. And for this, I'm going to kind of brush my brows downward so I don't end up plucking hairs I don't mean to pluck. So let's go back in. is what we're looking like so far. So just take a look at the before and after. So now that I finished with the first brow, I'm just going to take a wipe and get rid of all of the brow pencil. And this is what I'm left with. Now, if you want to do some trimming on your brow, this is the time to do it. So just brush these hairs in the front, going straight up. You don't want to do it all the way over. Just do the very, very front of your brow. Okay, so now I'm just going to do the exact same thing with the other brow. Okay guys, so now we have both brows done and they're looking pretty good if I do say so myself. This is exactly how my eyebrows used to look when I used to go to the nail salon to get them done, but I don't have to pay $10 every time I want my eyebrows done now, and I don't have to get in the car and go anywhere. I hope you guys found this video useful. I hope you're able to do this at home and you get the same results or better. If you do, leave me a comment. Let me know how you liked it. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.